Tabletop induction sealer machine is used to seal the aluminium foil on the mouth of the bottle. It can be sealed on the PET bottle as well as glass bottles. The wad, which is a foil with a cardboard layer, is inserted in the cap of the bottle and the cap is fully tight on the bottle. Suitable timer is set to expose the induction waves. Machine head is placed on the cap and red switch is pressed. The timer gets operated and induction waves heats the wad inside to seal it. One can open the cap to check if the foil is sealed or not. Machine is a tabletop model, light in weight, portable, and operates at 230 volt single phase power supply. For PET bottle, sealing foil is the best way to stop leakage and secure your product to assure one-time use.